Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's still your girl Ijoma Florence. You're highly welcome to my channel. For all my subscribers, both old and new, I heart you guys so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this versatile afro wig using spring twist. Actually, the hair I used for this project was from my collection. We still have it available. This color 350. I still have color T27, that's black and gold. Then I have 27/613, that's gold and light blue. Yes, that's the color available now. So if you really want to know how I made this wig, consider watching, okay? And do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, give the video a big thumbs up. Always remember to share my video with family and friends, okay? Without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Here are the materials needed: our net, our crochet pin, our T-pins, then our scissors for trimming, and finally the hair that we are going to work with. Yes, sis, as you can see, I'm not trying to fix my net onto my mannequin head. That's what I'm doing. Then at the back, I used to T-pin to secure it, to make it firm. That's what I'm doing right now. So here is the material that we are going to use. That's the hair that we are going to use. It is called spring twist. So that's what we are going to use for this video. So sis, let's start the work, okay? Now I'm trying to separate the strands that I picked. So each strand I pick, I'll divide it into 3 equal parts. As you can see from this very video now, I'm trying to divide these very strands into 3, and after which I will now make use of my crochets. If you don't know how to crochet, please watch this video critically, you understand it, okay? Watch me do it now. You pass your hook through the net, then grab the working hair, make a loop as I'm showing you, then pass the hair through that loop and you pull. Tighten it very well. Let me do it again. Make sure you fold the hair into 2 equal parts, then you pass your hook, that's crochet hook, through the net, then make a loop. Then pass the hair through that loop you made and pull the hair. So see, this is exactly how you continue doing the crocheting until you get to the very front. This wig is a no crochet or no frontal wig. It's a versatile wig. You can rock it anyhow. So you continue crocheting until you get to the very front. Enjoy watching the video.
To leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure.
Yes, it's like I've said, this is a no crochet or no frontal wig. It's just a versatile wig that you can rock anyhow. Okay, so once you get to the very front, just maintain a straight crocheting as if you are making a straight pattern, center straight pattern or side pattern. Just maintain a straight line the way you are crocheting it, as you can see me doing from the video. Maintain a line. When you are done with one line, you move to the other line, just a straight line, so that it will give you that actual versatile or hair or style that you are going for. Okay, this video is self-explanatory. Enjoy. Yes, sis, I hope you understand what I meant by maintaining a straight crocheting. As you can see from this very clip, I'm maintaining a straight line crocheting. Once I get to the end, that place you're seeing that space now, I will stop, then I'll come back again to the very front. I'll start crocheting, maintain a straight line. That's how I'll continue crocheting until I close up everything. Remember, this is a no crochet, no frontal wig. I'll close up everything, okay, so that you can wear it anyhow you want it. You can rock it on your head anyhow you want it. Center pattern, side pattern, or back, anyhow. Enjoy the video. Enjoy. We're almost there. Yeah, sweetheart, as you can see, I'm not closing the hair up. I'm taking my time to see to do that. Sorry, I'm just taking my time to do that. You can see the little space. It's very small, as you can see now, but I'll make sure I close everything up. Okay, we are almost there. We are there already. We are there. Enjoy. Sweetheart, this is how the wig should look like after crocheting. As you can see, it's beautiful for classic ladies, that kind of thing. So now I'm not using my hair to stretch the hair. I must tell you, this spring twist can stretch for Africa. Look at it. It can stretch for Africa. So after stretching it, the next thing is to use my scissors to trim it. So use your own scissors to trim it if you're gonna try this hairstyle. Okay, trim to your desired length, as you can see me doing. Wow, it's beautiful. This for classic ladies. So as you can see, continue trimming until you get to your desired length. Okay, that's what I'm doing. From the beginning of this video, I showed you guys 3 packs of this spring twist hair, but at the end of everything now, I ended up using only 2 packs, and it is full like this. My god, I'm so happy for the outcome. I'm so happy. Yeah guys, this is exactly how the wig should look like after trimming. It's so beautiful. Sis, are you gonna try this hairstyle? Remember, there's other things you can use this spring twist to do. It's just that I wanted to try something else. Most people basically use it for braiding of hair, but I now said let me try and see how it will be on crocheting, and the outcome was so impressive. I'm in love with the outcome. Okay, I'm super proud of myself that I tried something new and it came out right. I'm so happy. If you are going to try it, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, Please do not forget to support your girl. If you find this video helpful, support your girl by subscribing, like my video, share my video with family and friends, okay? Because that's the only way the YouTube will know that the content is a good one, okay? Until my next video, stay safe. I love you guys. Bye.